Hello and welcome to Nature's Corner. My name is Shannon Unger, Park Program Supervisor here at Cabarrus County Active Living and Parks. And today we're going to talk squirrels. Squirrels are a common animal you'll see in your backyard, at the parks, or even when you look out your window. The type of squirrel you're likely to see is a gray squirrel. And I have a picture for you guys right here. They are actually the state mammal. They're up to 2 feet long from head to tail and can weigh up to 1.5 pounds. They're diurnal, which means day dweller, and mostly arboreal, which means tree dweller. They're omnivorous, eating acorns, fruits, seeds, leaves, and insects. They live in holes in trees and in nests that they make called drays. And I have a picture of a dray right here. When you see this, you might think it's a bird nest, but if it's a bunch of sticks and leaves and shoved into a crook of a tree, it's likely to be a squirrel nest called a dray. The only other squirrel you'll find in this county is called a flying squirrel. Now, you're not as likely to see this guy because he's nocturnal or comes out at night, and they're pretty small, up to a foot from head to tail, with huge adorable eyes for seeing at night and flaps of skin on either side of their body to allow them to glide. They actually don't fly, and they really should be called gliding squirrels. But just like gray squirrels, they're omnivorous and they live in tree cavities. There's 3 other types of squirrels we're going to talk about. The next one is a fox squirrel. Now, he doesn't live in this county. They're mostly found in the sandhills and coastal plains, but they're the largest squirrel in North Carolina. Another squirrel that lives in North Carolina is a red squirrel, but these also don't live in our county, and they live more in the mountains. And finally, I want to mention the white squirrels over in western North Carolina. They're very cute, but they're not their own species. They're just a white version of the more common gray squirrel. Now, if you really like squirrels, you may want to make a little squirrel feeder for your yard. It's very easy. All you'll need is a cereal like a Cheerios or a Honey Nut Cheerios or even Fruit Loops and a pipe cleaner. So I went ahead and strung up a pipe cleaner full of Honey Nut Cheerios, and it's really fun. You can actually make them into little shapes. So I'm going to swing these around the ends and twist it and make it into a cute little heart shape. And in fact, I have another one that I'm going to make into a little heart shape by taking the 2 ends of the pipe cleaner that I already strung with cereal and twist it at the end and indent it there to make a little heart. And then I can string them up. I'm going to go ahead and string these together using another pipe cleaner. I might just loop it here at the end. And then I'm ready to go put it out on a tree and watch my squirrels enjoy. So thank you for coming by, and we'll see you next time.